Okay, guys, welcome back to Jay's Strategies, another edition of the market with the market makers. Let's go ahead and hop into the Bitcoin price. First, guys, go ahead and hop over to Jay's Strategies, where we post all of the live, latest, and hottest news about the blockchains, Bitcoin, Binance, Ethereum, and all the others. You can find different posts here all day, every day. We also support our Binance projects, War of Tribes, where they have their new trailer posted here on Twitter. You can go ahead and rock out and follow the post and tweet on Twitter, also with Gone Wild and all of their information. Let's hop on over into the Bitcoin price. As you can see here on the 4-hour chart for Bitcoin, we've been battling these areas of resistance on the EMA ribbon. We are in a nice ascending channel here. This is actually looking pretty damn cool if you ask me. We need to fight these different zones. Let me throw some numbers at you. 38.2. We need to fight and hold above this zone in order to make it to the next pivot zone, which is 39.2, which is a $1,000 increase to trade in between these areas. But you got to keep into mind that yesterday's low was at 35.7, and then also you can see the EMA ribbon starting to flip here on the 4-hour. That's actually really bullish. That's something that I wanted to see. Now you can see us coming back down to retest the daily open at 37. Now, depending on what kind of news they put out today, that's the fluctuation of price that we can see. Let's go ahead and spread this out more. You can see that we hit the M4 zone, which is 38.2, and we're coming right back for the 37.2 zone, and then we also have the M2 zone here at 36.3. So if we do pull back because of news today, we can expect these to come into play. So be wary and watch, guys. We can also come back to the daily open with bullish news. Watch the New York Open within the next half hour, coming back to here and then accelerating and busting out over the 39K range. Let's go ahead and hop into the daily chart for Bitcoin. You can see that we're well below these ribbons. A key critical area for us that we talked about was this 28K range. So you can see that we need to test this EMA here. This is on the daily. So if we do hit the 39 level, you can see that we tapped out here at the 32.9, and they can always come back and take back this wick, okay? So we could see some lower levels come into play with last week's low if we do have a bearish day, back to 34K, evidently. Or with the bullish news, and I'm just saying this is different ways the market could go, guys. I'm not telling you to the moon, and I'm not telling you crash. I'm telling you the day. Today and the next following days, price action. We care about where the price is at this moment in time so we can trade accordingly. Okay? So you can see that we need to fight all the way up to the 47 range. Okay? Let's go ahead and hop over to Ethereum. Okay? Ethereum looking strong again. M4 pivot zone. Hit that zone. 2560. Next target 2641. So if we see some bullish market action today, I'm looking for bullish to 2638. If we do see some bearish action on the next hour at the and it's in an hour and a half. So if we break below the daily open, I will expect the 2320. If we hover and stay above this EMA at the open of the New York markets, I will expect a bullish push to 2640. Binance coin, same scenario. You can see a nice trend holding up. Right now it's holding a little bit above the M3 pivot zone, which is actually pretty cool because that means I would look for a retrace to the M2 right to the M4, and that's usually what I see in charting patterns. So I will be shooting for a target of 403, so I would actually put in the 400 range. Then bearish, if it opens up and it breaks below this EMA right here, below the daily open, my target will be the M2, which is 370. Cardano to the moon, guys. Sunday swap launched, a lot of bugs and stuff like that. We could expect it. So you can see this little area that it's battling in between the 113 and 109 range. But we do have this M5 zone, so if it is bullish, 114 would be a target. Break below the daily open, I could see us heading back for an M0, taking back most of this wick. All right. Let's go ahead and hop into Solano. Solano, nice little uptrend for us this morning. Okay. Next level in the EMA ribbons would be the $100 range. That was a target for me from the M2 pivot zone. If we break below the daily open, we will be heading back to the M1 pivot zone. Trading on pivot zones, guys. You see how it bounces in the chart? XRP. XRP, gang. So you can see riding in the EMA ribbons. This is good. At least we're not below. We hit the M4 pivot zone. I can expect, even before the market, to hit 58 cents and then come back to the M5 pivot zone. This is all within bullish news. You can see we're coming back to that daily open, retest, and then bounce. We want to see XRP go to the moon. All right. Dogecoin. Dogecoin above the EMA ribbon. Excellent. Looks like it's testing right now back to this ribbon, which is pretty cool. If we break below, we'll come back to the daily open, which is 14 cents. And then if we go below that, we will come back to the M1 pivot zone, 12.8. Now what I can expect is it to hold this last resistance zone now, flipping the EMA ribbon. So let's see how we can go. Matic, $1.60. Matic, mid-range. Expect a test of the M2. M5 if bullish for the day, guys. Excellent. We're just going to keep going here. AVAX. Wow. Flipping the ribbons. This would be probably an opportunity for me. Let me say, don't jump on me for this, but buy an opportunity for AVAX. Shiba Inu, just touching into these ribbons, looking for possible bullish news for Shiba to the M5 pivot zone. Guys, you can download Traders Reality. You can type that into your indicators here. Okay, and you'll see it here. Excellent indicator. That's how you get all of these. Don't forget to follow them on Twitter. Guys, don't forget to hop on over to our Twitter page. Smash the like, follow us, and rock out. Another day, guys. J Strategies to the moon. Don't forget to smash that like, and rock out with us. If you have any suggestions or comments, please drop them in the comments below.